So this channel is gonna be a mix of what I said before, everything hyper. So just to start out, I'm just gonna show you a little clip of what I did today. It was a mellow day, but I went on a hike with my sister and husband.
Like with the banner and everything.
So just to set the mood here, I am a hyper person. I like to get out and do. Today we decided to go on a hike. That's considered a mellow day, but I got out there, moved around, and tomorrow I'll go for a run. So on this trail, there's a ton of creeks you have to cross. And after the rain, it's a lot harder. My sister did it first, and she fell in. It's kind of funny. I was next. So here's my attempt at jumping rock to rock.
Oh, shoot.
Sucks when you're short.
Yeah.
There go my shoes, nice and wet. Dang it.
Bravo!
At the end of the hike, we took this cool selfie with a great view, and then this one's from during the hike. So that was the highlight of our day, going on a little hike. After we came back, we went to the jacuzzi and then made some pizza. But aside from church and all of that, that was our Sunday. I will see you guys tomorrow. I might take you on my run with me and tell you a little bit more about myself and what I plan on having in this YouTube. Happy Monday! I'm back! Hope you all are doing great. Like I said yesterday, I went on a run this morning. The run was mainly trail, and that is the first activity I'm going to introduce to you that is hyper. I'm a hyper person, as many people would say. Meaning I'm hyper, but I also enjoy active activities. So the theme of this YouTube is hyper, hence being called hyped, because I'm gonna take you along, maybe teach you some things, show you what I do and what I like to do. And all of these things, well, most of them are hyper because you have to be active to do them. Without further ado, let's get on to the run, and I'll take you along. I'm on a run. I'm almost to mile 1. Yeah. So that was pretty quick, a lot quicker than the actual run. As you can see, these are my stats for the day. 7.54 miles, 8:44 per mile pace, 407 elevation gain, more than I thought the run was going to be. But right now I'm training for a 7-mile trail race that, well, technically a 12K, that gains about 750 feet. So eventually I'm going to have to do a run that gains that many feet. Trails are a lot harder, so you have to take into account your pace, not being as fast. I guess, sometimes you get it in your head, as I used to, that I have to go fast all the time. But really, trails are about strength and just seeing the beauty of the earth while you're on your run. Just doing that de-stresses the mind so much, and I feel like it's better than the roads. So many years of running on the roads, you feel like you're hitting your head against the wall because you burn out quick. But yes, that was my run today, and I'm pretty happy with it. So now, the next hyper thing that I like to do, not my favorite, but you're moving around, and of course we all like to eat, is cooking. So tonight, I'm going to show you what I'm going to make. It's an easy meal and healthy, which goes along with running. Gotta be strong, gotta have protein and nutrients. I'm gonna make chicken pot stickers with some fried, I guess not fried, organic rice cauliflower stir fry. Yeah. So I'll show you some of the process. It's pretty easy. I might just use the microwave today. Yeah. Don't tell anyone. Anyhow, I'll show you the final products and maybe some of the process. So I'm gonna walk you through how I did this. As you can see, I sprayed the pan first with Pam, and then I sprinkled out, or I guess you could say pulled out, grabbed out, whatever, these pot stickers, put them into the pan. I made about, I think 12 to 14. We eat a lot, you know. So I did that and then turned on the heat. I let them turn to golden brown as I push them around with a spatula. I'll do that in a second. So I did that and timed it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It took longer than what the directions said. Once I did that and they were golden brown, I went and grabbed, you'll see it soon, a 1/3 cup of water. So doing this. The next task, you're gonna grab a 1/3 cup of water and you're gonna pour it in there. You're gonna turn the heat down. It was at medium. You're gonna turn it down just a tiny bit. You're gonna put the lid on. You're gonna let it steam at that level of heat for about 3 minutes, and then they should be ready. So if you're wondering, got both of these chicken pot stickers and the cauliflower rice at Walmart. Super good deal. And they can feed about 4. So for us the rice doesn't feed 4, the chicken. The rice is 2. So this is the final product. This is my husband's meal. He obviously went and got some more pot stickers. I just wanted to make it look nice. This is me trying it. Yum. Cauliflower rice was hot at first, but such a good dinner. So easy and healthy. Hey, just wanted to jump in and introduce the next slide. It's the last one. Like I said, everything hyper, that includes clothing. So I started a clothing line called Hyper Sparkles. Hyper Sparkles. You can find it on Instagram, and there's also a link in the YouTube to my page. But the next clip's gonna show you the shirt I've been wearing. I'm gonna kind of model it. My line includes fitness wear, well that's new, and then it's a lot of cute tops. All are under $20, most are under $15. So check it out if you have a second, and then I'll describe this shirt for ya. So this is the red cold shoulder top, super cute. I like to tuck it in a little bit, wear it with joggers, you can wear it with shorts. Super comfy, wear it any day, dress it up, dress it down. Love it.